Welcome to the Baking Lowdown. Today we will be making pumpkin scones. Spooky edition.
This fall addition to the channel. Something we love, a recipe we found online at gimmesomeoven.com. Pretty easy recipe. And in order to make it vegan, all you need is vegan butter and plant-based milk. Everything else is the same. So let's get started. First, we're gonna put our 2.5 cups of flour in a big mixing bowl. And then after that, you're gonna put the rest of your dry ingredients, your brown sugar, baking powder, ground cinnamon, pumpkin pie spice, salt, and mix that up before you add in your wet ingredients. 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar, baking powder, 1 tablespoon going in. We're gonna put 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, and then 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, and 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. One-half a cup of butter, which is a 4-ounce butter stick from Earth Balance. 4 ounces is 1/2 cup. So we're just gonna use one of those small sticks, chop it up into little pieces, make sure it's still cold, and then you're just gonna kind of mash it around until they're about pea size. Now that our butter is cut to about pea size, we're gonna add our pumpkin puree, which is 3/4 of a cup of pumpkin puree. And then we're gonna add 1/3 cup of milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Our scones are ready to go in the oven, but before we do that, take a little bit of milk and you're just gonna brush the tops of it just so they get nice and golden brown. You do the honors, sir. Slide it in. There we go.
See you in YouTube.
All right, scones are done. Look at that. Look at that beauty, man. Pretty scone. We're gonna share this because it's almost dinner time. I did bake them a little longer than the recipe said, probably about 30 minutes instead of 15 minutes. And let's see how this goes. Oh, that's a pumpkin scone.
Very good.
Like that. Well, try the recipe out. Perfect for the holidays, Halloween, Thanksgiving, or anytime that you have pumpkins. Enjoy it. Till next time.
Have a sweet day.